Here I have Motorola Moto G22, and today I'm going to show you how to enter boot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume down, at the same time for a couple of seconds like this, and after a few seconds you will end up in a boot mode. So here in the boot mode you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have such options as start, restart bootloader, recovery mode, power off, barcodes and start. So yeah, so if you want to quit this mode, just select an option start and your device, then normal boot, and after that your device will be restarted. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.